We're Jez and... It like went in my mouth. The smell went in my mouth. We're Jez and Tom. We're in Sweden trying Surstrmming, the most rancid smelling food in the world, and welcome to Global Grubs. We were at the Oskars factory in Sweden to try Surstrmming. Surstrmming is a rotten fermented Baltic herring that's been stored for over 6 months in a mixture of salt, brine and lactic acid. It's been voted the worst smelling food in the world.
Rancid, rotting, sulphurous. Now with the description of Tom out of the way, it was time to learn more about the fish.
So we're just going into the factory now of where it's made. I'm getting a serious walk through.
Now these fish hadn't even been canned yet, and it was already the worst smell I'd ever smelt. And I've been to my football team's toilets after a beer and curry night.
I'm struggling here. What's the history of it? Where does Surstrmming come from?
Story goes like that. When it was poor times, hundreds of years ago, then they didn't have enough salt, so they have to eat it, they have to try it.
And then they went, actually, this isn't that
they
bad.
liked it.
Perfect. Do you think it'll be enough for us?
Yeah.
Doesn't fill me with confidence, you laugh. Did you have any advice when we eat this?
Yeah, just enjoy it.
Just enjoy it.
Okay, sure, I'll enjoy it the same way people say that they enjoy jogging or salads. I mean, come on, you're only kidding yourselves here.
Frederick's gone, you ready to try some?
No. Why am I trying this?
Because you hid behind your pescatarianism every time I had to eat a bull's dick or a goat's eye. This one's made for you, mate. So pucker up.
Oh, Christ. I'm already feeling queasy. I can feel it in my stomach. Good. Oh, sounds liquidy.
Just stop delaying the inevitable.
I've shaken it up. Is it like a Pepsi can? Like, if I shake it,
it's going to explode even more. The worst part about this is everyone says the smell's the worst. So even though I'm making you eat this, I'm going to get just as bad a reaction as you.
Yep. Good.
Don't hold your breath.
I'm getting... Oh, it's on me! It's exploded! Oh my God, that's bad.
Just go on first with.
It smells like someone has eaten diarrhea and thrown it up, and then eaten that, and then canned it. Oh, gee. It just smells like shit. That's the only way to describe it. It smells like someone's done a big poo in a can. I'm trying to be respectful, you know, it's a delicacy in Sweden. The problem is, I've just never smelt anything like it. It's probably the worst smelling thing I've ever smelt in my life.
It's definitely an acquired taste.
Every fibre of my being is saying, don't eat that food. Before I could eat the fish, this lovely man turned up to give me a spot of advice.
You don't eat the whole fish. The female got rum inside, and the male got the semen for the rum. So you don't eat the whole fish.
Right, because you don't want fish semen.
Yeah. You take out the bones and everything from the fish.
So what's the most you've eten?
I think it's 17.
17.
Have you eaten it most of your life?
Yeah.
So you're used to it, doesn't smell...
No, it's very good.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah.
We're just pathetic. Do you think it makes it easier or worse, the fact that you know there might be semen in this fish?
Well, I wish he hadn't told me that. Because now...
It's not like you want to hear. Ready, mate? Go on.
Semen.
Okay.
Did you get a nice mouthful?
I started to think to myself, hey, actually, Tom, you can do this. It's not that bad. Well, but I was wrong.
Something, mate. Your face is quite red.
Oh my God.
Not to be a stickler, Tom, but I feel like you didn't go for a big enough bite.
I can... You Oh my Christ. Well, That was Surströmming. I'm glad I've tried it. Would I eat it again? Probably not.
It gets better the more times you try it, so technically next time it's just going to keep going up.
So, do I try it?
Yeah, go on, give it another bite.
It's just like a waft went in my face. I've tried it. I swallowed a little bit. I then sicked it up. I'm sorry you had to see that.
Cheers.
Thank you.
God, you totally embarrassed us in front of Swedish Gandalf.
I know, it was a look of disappointment in his eyes. Actually felt worse. That's what my mum. Everything I smell just reminds me of the fish.
You sound like you get PTSD.
Oh, I have got PTSD.
And it happened 5 minutes ago, and the can's still behind you.
I've got it all over my socks as well. I'm going to have to chuck them.
Just having a quick little bonfire.
Quick bonfire, burn all the clothes.
We'll drive to our next destination naked.
Why does Jeremy always suggest that after every challenge?
Pickled herring. Love the idea of it. The taste of it. Not for me. This has been Global Grub. We've been Jez and Tom. That's Surstrmming.
Make sure to subscribe for more.